In this quick lesson, we're going to look at how to sign up for an all-access membership, manage your account, and most importantly, view the tutorials on the macu.com. Click on the memberships and pricing link here to see the membership options. The yearly and monthly subscriptions come with a 5- and 7-day free trial. They will auto-renew unless canceled beforehand. Prior to each renewal, you will receive a reminder email alerting you to the upcoming payment. With the lifetime membership, you only pay once and don't need to worry about a recurring fee. It also comes with a 7-day trial period. For this example, let's sign up for the yearly subscription. I'll need to enter some basic information first. If you have a coupon or promo code, enter that here. Below, we need to choose a payment method. This first option will accept credit cards, Apple Pay, or direct bank payments. If you have a PayPal account, it can be a really convenient option. I'm going to use Apple Pay for this example, so let's click the next button. And we are presented with those three options. With Apple Pay, the transaction can be quickly approved without needing to enter a bunch of payment details. That brings us to a welcome page and a tutorials browser button. This is where we can find any of the tutorials and begin watching. We also have a Manage Account button up here, which will take us to a page from which we can update details like our name or email address. Under Subscriptions, it's possible to cancel the membership or update payment information. Click over to Payments to see a list of all payments that have been made. Let's head back out to the tutorials browser. Currently, the tutorials are presented in icon view. From here, we can switch to List and Detail view. Use Detail view to see a quick summary. In the column to the left, we can filter the tutorials using these checkboxes. If I check iPhone and Photos only, tutorials that apply to both of those will appear in the results. Remember to uncheck these boxes to get the full list back. Now let's start viewing the iOS Core Concepts tutorial. At the top, the title is shown, and we can quickly return to the tutorials browser with one click. Use the View Summary button to read a quick synopsis of the tutorial and see the lesson list. To begin, click on the Play button.
Greetings and welcome to Learn iOS Core Concepts.
Below, an icon for every other lesson in the tutorial is displayed, so we can easily click to skip to a different lesson. Here in the controls, we have buttons to play, pause the lesson, skip to the next or previous lesson, and rewind the last 10 seconds. On the right side, we can adjust the volume with a click and drag on these dashes. Click the item button to view the lesson list. Just click to jump to that lesson. On the far right, we can choose a different playback speed. So if you want to get through the lessons a little faster, try viewing at a faster speed. If you want to slow down the instructions, set the video to play a little slower. In the upper right, we can make the video full screen. If you have an Apple TV or AirPlay-enabled display, click the AirPlay button to send the video to that display. For me, the best way to view the lessons is in full screen, and if I want to jump to a different lesson, do that from the item list down here. That's a quick overview of the all-access sign-up process and how to start viewing the tutorials. If you have any questions or concerns prior to joining, please click the Contact button up here and send us a message. Thanks for watching.